going to harvest a few of my radishes today so I can get some more planted. Alright, just kind of look around them. Zoom in. Where you can see they are ready to go. Look at that. What is so nice about radishes, you can plant them close together and you got radishes ready to eat in less than 3 weeks. Few little ones in between, and I'll just kind of pluck around them. Give them a chance to grow a little longer. You don't want to let your radishes go too long, because then they just get woody and then they don't taste as good. I left a few in there that are still small, and I will go ahead and plant some more in there. Alright, we got a nice little bundle of radishes here. And what I like about these ones, they're not hot and they're not bitter like some of them. And as long as you pluck them when they're young, they come out perfect. Like I said, you can have these in 3 weeks. Alright, I just did a harvest on my radishes. Now I'm going to plant some more radishes in between the ones that are still left that were too small to harvest yet. It's pretty easy to plant radishes. They're actually a decent sized seed, so they're pretty easy to plant. Unlike lettuce, it's a really tiny seed. These ones are pretty easy. So what I do, I just make a little trench with my finger and just place them in about 1 inch apart to 1.5 inches. About a 1/2 inch depth. And just cover them right up. And these ones that I'm going to plant now are called French dressings. I haven't planted these ones before, so we shall see how they turn out. It says the growing season's a little bit longer, 25 to 35 days, when the other ones, the cherry bells, are 22 days. These get like 2 inches long and 3/4 inches wide. So we'll give these ones a try and see how well these ones taste. If they're as good as the cherry bells or not. So we'll find out in like 3 weeks. And I'll plant these just the same. As you can see, the seeds are pretty decent size. So it's pretty easy to plant these ones. It's like lettuce seed. Oh boy, it's the size of little pepper flakes. They're hard to plant. But these radishes, they're pretty easy to plant. All right. Go ahead and Plant these at a 1/2 inch depth. Alright, that is a 4-foot row. That's what's nice about these seeds, they're extremely easy to handle. And if you got leftovers, it's easy to put them right back in the pouch. Alright, y'all. See y'all later. Have a good one.